Hello, my dear friends. I am Jyotirvid Pawan Kumar. Friends, in my first video on how to realize your true nature, I couldn't include the rest of the part of the technique. So I'm making this second video for that. So you may kindly watch the first video first and then the second video. In the first video, I have explained how you can reason it out that you are neither this physical body nor this mind. You are pure consciousness, witness consciousness, which is witnessing the states of body, conditions of body, as well as your mind. So you are separate from your physical body and your mind. So after reasoning it out, spend 10 minutes, 15 minutes on that. Think over it deeply. Then sit in a comfortable posture. Take a couple of deep breaths. And with the new awareness you have now gathered because of your reasoning, close your eyes lightly and be comfortable. Just watch your whole physical body. Scan it. Scan your physical body mentally from your feet to head. Look into it. Look at the various parts. Visualize what is going inside. If some part is under tension or strain or you are feeling some pain, do nothing. Now you should be aware that you are not this physical body. So whatever trouble you are having in this physical body, you are just witnessing. Your true self is witness consciousness. And you are witnessing that. Do nothing. Then slowly watch your mind. Whatever is going on. You don't need to stop any thoughts. At this moment, if you are doing it seriously, there won't be many thoughts. Because you have realized that you are separate from your body and mind. But if there are any thoughts, let them be there. Don't bother. Just watch whatever thought is coming with the realization that you are not your mind. You are a witness consciousness. Whatever is going in your mind, let it be there. Spend 10 minutes, 15 minutes. And then gradually the day will come. If you are doing it regularly every day, the day will come when, after reasoning it out, when you sit in silence with closed eyes, then your mind will become so tranquil. There will be no thoughts, nothing going on. All the restlessness will be finished. Now it will be just undisturbed, calm, serene mind. You will sort of see blackness, emptiness, nothing. That is a great achievement if you can do that. And it will happen if you do it sincerely, seriously, every day. It may sound simple, but carry it on. And the results can be amazing, wonderful. Gradually, in that state of complete silence, serenity, you will be able to lift the curtain of Maya and see the reality beyond. Yes, believe me. If saints can do, If I can do, why not you? Do it. Do it with faith. Thank you for watching.